Okay, good morning. Ito yung pang 18 day of 25 push-up challenge for 25 days. At ito yung directives ng ating Chief PNP na makapag-perform ng 40 push-up daily para ma-maintain natin ang normal BMI. Ready? Okay, ang isunod na challenge ko, balikan natin ang chief clerk ng R6 4A Calabarzon, Police Executive Master Sergeant Eric Hurtado. Go, buddy.